third property of Kangen water is it's microclustered. Ibig sabihin, maliliit ang kanyang sizes. Imagine if you have a vine of grapes na mas may malalaking vine or malaking, yun nga, cluster, and then mas maliliit. So, i-demonstrate natin itong property na to so you will understand fully kung gaano ito kaganda. At ang property nito is connected to hydrating our body. And remember, to hydrate our body, ang kailangan marating ng water natin, yung 70+% na water sa katawan, is kailangan siyang umabot saan? Up to the cellular level. So, I have here, meron akong Lipton na green tea. So, kukuha tayo ng isang tea bag. This is just a demonstration. So, and then bubuksan natin. So, just to explain para maintindihan natin ano ibig sabihin nito. Itong tea bag, ito ay representation ng ating cell. And then remember, yung ating cell mayroong tinatawag na aquaporine. Aquaporine is the opening ng ating cell na kung saan doon pumapasok ang water or yung liquid, yung hemoglobin na nandun siya. So, ang gagawin natin, itong nasa loob, ito yung kunwari, ito yung ilalabas na toxins or ito yung ipapasok na nutrients. Remember, healthy cells equals healthy body. So, uunahin natin itong representation. Kunwari, ito ang ginagamit mo pang inom, and then gusto mong ilabas yung tea extract or ilalabas yung dumi or ipapasok yung, dapat makapasok siya sa loob at malabas na yung tea extract. So, take a look. So, dapat mayroon siyang green tea. So, but wala tayong nakikitang lumalabas na tea extract. Ibig sabihin, if this is nutrients, di siya nakapasok. If this sa loob ng tea bag, if that's toxins, hindi siya nakalabas. So, walang nangyaring detoxification. Now, would you believe na pag ang ginamit natin, maybe Kangen water. Take a look at this. Let's use clear one para at least masabi natin na Kangen talaga. Walang color. So, take a look. This is Kangen. Right away, lumabas. Maybe sasabihin natin kasi nabasa na. Kaya lumabas siya dito. Susubukan natin. Let's give benefit of the doubt if ang ginagamit natin sa bahay is distilled water. So wala nangyari. Maybe sabi, ubos na. So, nabasa, lumabas, naubos. So, ulit, Kangen water. And even, you can produce up to 16 glasses of tea sa isang tea bag using Kangen water. So, science behind this. Malalaki ang structuring ng ibang klase ng tubig. Lahat halos ng water or liquid, ang kanilang clustering is nasa 15 to 20 H2O molecules nagkumpul-kumpul. Our Kangen has a smaller cluster, 5 to 6, which is good enough para makapasok siya up to your cellular level. Now, can you imagine if you are enjoying supplements or vitamins? So, dapat ang supplements or vitamins, papasok yan sa cells, right? So, I will do 3 extract that will represent, ito yung magre-represent ng, kunwari, isang capsule ng supplement mo, ito yung makukuha mong nutrients. Ito. Isang capsule ng supplement mo, or ito yung makukuhang vitamins. Yan. Isang capsule ng supplement mo, isang caplet, ito yung makukuhang amount of nutrients or vitamins na makukuha. But of course, pag iinom ka ng vitamins or supplements, anong gagamitin mo pantulak? Siyempre, water. Take a look. Ano nangyari? Nawala. How about this? Ano nangyari? Nawala rin. Now, I'll show you that this is Kangen. Clear Kangen. from the machine. Ito yung kailangan nutrients na papasok sa katawan mo. Take a look. Can you imagine? Remember the three properties? Dadalahin ng tubig na to ang nutrients papunta, i-enhance niya, di niya i-dilute, i-enhance niya, dalahin niya up to cellular level kasi maliit ang kanyang cluster. At the same time, ang tubig na ginamit mo, pagkangin ang iniinom mo, is sobrang rich ng antioxidant. Free radical scavenger. At the same time, because of the molecular hydrogen present in the water, alkaline siya. Or the right term is alkalized siya. Imagine replacing your current water right now with the water coming from the machine. Remember the 70%? How valuable or how big or how huge do you think 70% of your body, if you will, as to the impact to your health, if you will decide to change your water? The slogan of Enagic is, change your water, change your life.